Okay, live. We are live
Oh, wow.
again on a Sunday. All
Happy
right?
Sunday.
All right, dito muna tayo. Let's go. Happy Sunday, everyone. It's still Sunday here in the US, so I hope you have the time to watch us. It's a little bit late. It's 7:49, but here we go again. No matter what, we are here to present about Live Good. Right? My name is Medi Parahele. I'm located here in California with Coach Lola, and we will be showing to you about Live Good, how Live Good works to anyone who wants to start an online business, and how to save lots of money. If you want to be healthy, you have to go with Live Good, right, Coach?
Yes, that's right. One more.
My name is Medi Parahele, and I'm doing this as a part time. I'm still working full time, but this is a good start if you are planning to retire one day soon. It's good to start now doing online business because this is the easiest that anyone you can reach anyone. So here we go with Coach Lola. Magandang gabi po sa lahat ng nanonood sa Pilipinas. Hindi pala. Umaga na pala ngayon, ano? Good morning good morning sa Philippines. Sa mga nanonood po, manood po kayo hanggang matapos po namin itong presentation that includes the compensation and the products that we will be showing here, uh, right, with Coach Lola. All right.
That's right. I'm gonna tag everyone over here. I'm just posting the our live to our group page, guys, because we also have our team group. If you would like to find us, we are the Live Good Income Builder team, and until now, we are supporting all our team members here in Live Good. We are already 2 years to 2.5 years in Live Good, and we are truly truly blessed with all the products that we have here. Yes, we have products, guys. Okay. So by the way, my name is Coach Lola here in California, Lola Aguilar, if you want to know my surname. And I'm also here in California together with Coach Medi, and we are so passionate, of course, to share with you this Live Good, guys, because we want to change lives, no? Whether their health, whether their financial, guys, this is the best business that we can offer to you. I'm retired civil engineer from the armed forces, and of course I'm calling all the retirees an homestay mom and those planning to retire then as well. All right, so stay tuned and we will present the comprehensive overview of Live Good business.
Right.
This is my part na muna.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, hindi na tayo nagpalit. Okay. Hi guys. So this is the business overview. This is the trending digital business na talagang I cannot believe of having 1 million members in 1 year. In just 1 year of Live Good opening, 1 million agad. This is open to global market. All right. So stay tuned, guys. Let's next slide. We're just rushing this because it's too late already. Okay. Well, can we offer you? Well, if you love to become an affiliate, we have the wholesale club here. Really, rock bottom prices, and a membership club that really gives us perks or incredible income, guys. Okay. We are the number one company right now in home business industry, and we are the fastest growing company since 2023, guys, up to date. If you go to Business for Home organization website, you can find us there as the number one in momentum. Even the company is still young. We have the highest paying commission. Gosh, you're going to hear that later. Located in Jupiter, Florida, USA. Yes, these are all made in USA. And our official launching actually for the worldwide market was on December 13, 2022. Yan po yung mga picture namin in Las Vegas. We are the Global Income Builder team, and you're gonna meet us if you are here from Los Angeles, guys. What is your benefits? Nako, kauna-unahan na po guys. This is the first ever na magkakaroon kayo ng sarili nyong website. No? May nagtatanong, yes, sarili nyong website, 8 po yan. This is 8 websites and it's open to your global market. It's open. It's not just a dashboard that other are, your past company. In my past company, we only have the dashboard, no, the back end. But here in Live Good, it's the front end, a real website like Amazon, like Shopee, like eBay. No, all your customer can see all your products and prices. No, and this is also a lifetime business, guys. Woo! Take note, lifetime, no account expirations. Personal online shop is yours for life. No, so that you can pass on to your family kung gusto ninyong iwanan sa family ninyo, because we know guys, we cannot pass on our profession. No? Let's say if you're a teacher, you're a doctor, even though you're rich there, no one can continue your profession unless they finished that in college, di ba? We have bonuses here, weekly sales payout, guys. Wow. And we also have the monthly payout, which we will explain to you later. But the good thing is all your sales from your online shop, you can get paid weekly. So our system is drop shipping. That means you're not holding the products. All the products are here in the United States. And every time you're getting a sale, the company will automatically receive that order and the company will automatically ship it out to your customer. You don't have to call the company, you don't have to email the company. It is taken care of by the company, guys. Okay, wanting more, no entry product packages to buy. You just sign up, pay your registration fee, and that's it. No monthly auto ship and quota as well. Hindi ka namin pe-pressure rin dito. It's very, very light business. Walang stress, walang hassle. All right, next slide, please. Okay, the second concept of our Live Good business, guys, this is the first time in the history of this kind of business, this kind of home business or the networking business is the membership club. We adopted the other membership club program, no? So in here, once you become a member, aside from becoming an affiliate, once you decided to become a member, you can save more on the products and earn more. So there are more earnings here in the membership club. So you don't want to neglect this membership club, because we get paid as a member and affiliate over here. Or for a member, if you would like to try our product, you can become a member and also get free products. First in the history, you're going to have free products. Here are a few popular membership club that we want to compare Live Good with. The most popular here in the USA is Costco. Costco, guys, has 19 million members already, and we are paying 120 dollars per year. Yeah. Amazon is also an online shop now with 200 million subscribers, and we are paying $14.95. Those are so expensive just to get a free shipping, di ba? So, and also Netflix, no, 301.6 million subscriber already. You're paying $9.95 for single account, $19.95 for family account. That's too big. And all of this and also Facebook and other social media, you're going to pay the subscription now dahil they require it, that's the new in thing. The membership club is a new in thing, as well as the Zoom and this StreamYard that we are using right now with Coach Medi. You're gonna pay $14 to $15. Me, I'm paying $15 in Zoom. But here's the thing, guy. You are not getting paid. You are not getting income from this company that I mentioned. All right. So subscription, as you know, is like your gold gym, Wi-Fi, telephone, electric, and water bill. So we know now what is subscription. All right. I think the next slide will be presented to you by my friend Coach
All right.
Mandy, right?
Coach, thank you for watching sa mga nanonood. Rose Ikeda from Japan. Thank you, Miss Rose. Naki- can you
Thank
hear
you,
me,
Coach
Coach?
Rose.
Oh, yeah.
Silver soon.
All right. Another one is Annalisa. Si Coach Annalisa. Ang sipag niya, ang taga Kuwait. Thank you for watching.
Oo, kasi pag siyang mag-comment.
Oh, yeah. Okay, here we go with our next slide. Okay. The people behind Live Good. This is the one that we should know first when joining a business like this. And we know that these people are the one making the Live Good get going. We have Ben Glinsky, the president and CEO with over 20 years of experience. Siya po yung CEO natin na nakikita. We have Dr. Ryan Goodkin, the formulator of the products, the director of product development. So lahat ng products na nakikita nyo sa Live Good, he is the one behind the brain of this. All right, we have Lisa Goodkin, the wife of Dr. Ryan, the director of health education. So she is the one who explains how does it help to your body, those products that we are bringing out in Live Good. So you will learn a lot from both husband and wife on Monday. They have this presentation that they talk about how the products works to our body and what you should take and how do you take it. So, you learn a lot from Live Good. That's why I like Live Good a lot. Natutuwa ako. Aside from the
Yes.
products that we have, the affordable products, very educational talaga ang ginagawa nila. All right, the fourth one is Noder Kazan, the Director of Field Development. So he is the one who has knowledge when it comes to network marketing. Um, the next one is Live Good Simple Mission to help you and other people get healthy and stay healthy while having to spend a fortune to do it. Yan po ang mission ni Live Good. Napakasimple. To make you healthy and for you to save money while doing this. So, did you know the MLM secrets? The average cost to make an MLM product only ranges, that's the reality, only from $5 to $12.
Yes.
But this is being sold at 10 times or more in the market. And why? Because they are paying the people, the celebrities for this. But with Live Good, it's different. That's why we changed everything with Live Good. So you
Yes.
will find out that one later on when we continue our presentation. So Live Good products, we have the weight loss, we have the detox and gut health, the immune booster, we have heart health, sleep support, muscle and joint aid, brain health, beauty and skin care, children health, sexual health, hormone, and pets health. So all of
Madami
these
ng madami.
products that you can see from here, these are the products of Live Good that we are bringing in the market. It is full 90-day empty bottle guarantee. So you can assure yourself and whenever you want to buy products right here and you're not satisfied, you can return within 90 days. But why do you have to return if it's working with you, di ba? And
Yeah.
plus, very affordable pa. Bakit naman ba isusoli kung nag-work naman sa'yo?
Yeah.
Uh, all the products are made in the USA. That is why we're so proud of these products with Live Good. Some of the products are 100% organic, GMP certified, with the highest quality guaranteed. At the lowest price. So you can see it here, up to 75% less than other brand. And as you can see here, we are more coming 200 on more because every month, I think every month, something is coming
Yeah.
out.
True.
Diba? And we're looking forward to have the household care, the personal care, also the travel, solar, alkaline machine, and many, many more. So watch out po kayo sa Live Good. Hang in there.
Yeah.
Okay, here's the price comparison of the products that we have, like multivitamins. You can see here it's only $9.95 compared to the other brand. They have 47.45 and the other one is $29. So it's like 65% savings pag kayo if if you go to Live Good multivitamins. The D3K2, this for the immune booster, this is only $8.50. Compared to the other two brands here, you can see it here showing it to you 75% you can save
Wow.
this
Yeah.
compared to 50. Can you imagine that? Also,
Yeah.
the super greens, everybody's favorite, like Coach Lola and me. We have the super greens. It's only $18. Organifi is selling at 69 and AGI 99.99. So, ang laki ng difference. Can you imagine that? And plus, the content. If you see the content of this, walang sinabi yung AGI because we have so many at the back of the container. You can see all the products, all the ingredients that's being here inside the super greens.
Yeah.
Also, we have the coffee here. It's only 17.95. Yung rice coffee, $35. Ang sama ng lasa. I would rather stay with
Yeah.
this Live Good organic mushroom coffee. Also, the collagen peptides, it's only 27.95 with Live Good compared to the other two products here. 79.96, 69.95. Super naman, mahal to. And
Mhm.
here's the one, Super Rest for your heart. This is all really good to your body. It's only $18. Like Super Greens, Super Reds, we're only having this, selling this for $18 if you have your membership with Live Good. All right. The next one is, so those are just the samples of the product prices that we are showing. So for you to understand. Okay, Coach, ikaw na yata rito.
All right, so we're gonna go to the most exciting part. I'm sure everyone who's watching or only watch this right now, new to our channel, is this compensation plan or the pay plan on how do we get earned. Actually, we have 8 ways to earn, and the eighth one was recently added. Also, the fifth one here. So it's fast start, hybrid, unlimited, retail commission, everything here. I'm going to explain to you. So for you to have clarity of how much you're going to earn. Next slide, please. All right, number one, fast start commission. I think not every company in networking are paying fast start because I was in one company who never pays any fast start commission. What is fast start commission? This is when someone joins you as a sponsor. You're gonna get paid 50% of that whatever the registration fee we have here, which we will explain later. A very affordable registration fee. So Fast Start is paid weekly. So if you want to get commission weekly, you should do this. Don't just sit there. Unlimited wide, meaning you can get unlimited people or business partner from every part of the world. And we call this unilevel because there's just certain level for each of our ranks. So when you get here in Live Good, you are called unranked if you haven't invited anyone. So the company is not forcing you to rank up, but here's the good thing, guys. Once you invited 2 people, you're gonna be bronze rank, and when you become a bronze rank, you're opening your second level. So on your first level, which is your direct, you're getting 50%. That is $25. Wow. So if you have like 10 people in one day, you get $100. Okay. And if you're ranking higher to silver, to gold, to platinum, to diamond, we're getting more commission on more levels, meaning up to 10th level, guys, if you are diamonds. And don't ask if this diamond is achievable. Well, we have a lot of diamonds here already around the world. So the meaning of this is that whenever you rank higher, you're gonna get paid more. So who don't like that? Who doesn't like that, diba? For every affiliate to refer, you get $25 again. Okay? All right. Second one, this is hybrid matrix commission. This is first in the industry. Yes. So once you join Live Good and you're paying your membership, monthly. We have a membership monthly. As we said, we are like the other club, membership club. In Live Good, this is super low. Later, you're gonna find out. This is paid monthly. At the end of the month or first week, first Thursday of the end of the month, no? Yung susunod, succeeding. Unlimited wide, meaning you can get more, okay? And this is also unilevel. So in here in hybrid commission, guys, you can get paid 2,000, a minimum of 2,047 monthly to 16,383 per month based on your rank. So as you can see here on my on the right portion of the screen, we have this force matrix structure. So ang structure po natin, some people call it pyramid. I don't care. But we only have 2 slots in every sponsor. We only have 2 placement in your network. So if ever makapag-recruit ka ng additional people, it will be placed under that member you personally enrolled or those member that is placed on that spot. Okay, so multiplied by 2, it's gonna be this chart. Please look at the chart, guys. So this is the leveling. We have particular level from 1 to 15 depending on your rank. So if you get here to Live Good, as I've said a while ago, you are unranked, and even though you're unranked, you have the possibility to get paid 2,047 with your 995 monthly membership. So the placement of the people are multiplied by 2. 2. So on your first level, you get 2. On your second level, you get 4. Then times 2 again, you get 8. Times 2, times 2, times 2. And for the unranked, you're only provided up to 12 level. Parang franchise mo, hanggang dito ka lang. Yan lang yung hangganan mo. You will get paid up to here. All right? Because you're unranked. You have not started, referring people. You're just waiting there and you're just using the product. Well, that's okay if that is your intention, but it will take you maybe 5 to 10 years before you can see people here. So why not do the fastest track? The fast move. The fast move is referring someone. So if you refer 2 people, guys, you're gonna be bronze. And what will happen is you will be given another level, which is 13th level. So in this case, as bronze rank, your expected monthly matrix is up to 4,095.50, which is double of that of the unranked, diba? So, and when you get to silver, it will be the same, 4,095. This is just your personal matrix, okay? We're gonna explain later some more. Gold, platinum is up to 14 level. That is 8,000, guys. Kahit andito lang ako, I'm already gold. Okay na yan. 8,000 a month. That's okay. Okay, platinum and diamond, 16,000 naman sa diamond, guys. Imagine that. Okay, I want you to remember these figures, 2,000, 4,000, 8,000, 16,000, because we will be telling you how to get wealthy faster over here because the matrix commission is slow. And we're going to teach you how to do it fast on the next slide. There you go. Yes, that's the controversial matching bonus. Kanina lang nanood ako, may nagdidebate dito because really on my first ranking here, guys, I'm honestly saying I didn't understand this, until I get to gold or, higher rank. So this means, guys, matching means hindi po binary. This is also paid monthly. Can you imagine? Nagbabayaran ka na sa matrix. and you will get paid here in the matching. So dalawa na yan, 2. You're expecting 2. Unlimited generational po ito, bonus, which means if you personally enrolled, okay, that person, and yung matrix niya, kumikita siya ng, she's earning, let's say, $2,000, kahit na nasa, ano pa lang, di pa nakukumpleto, let's say na lang 1,000. So that personally direct sponsored member of yours, you will get $500. Okay? So you will be counting, ilan na yung how many matrix commission this person is getting monthly. You are expecting 50% of that, guys. Imagine that. So if he becomes gold or silver or diamond, 16,000 a month, then you're getting 8,000. Even if you just invite one person, but that person becomes diamond, then you get half of that. So why will you not refer someone, di ba? Kahit isa dyan, malay mo makatagpo ka ng agila, malay mo yun na para hinihintay mo na magpapabago ng buhay mo. So don't hesitate to tell someone about Live Good, di ba? Even in one day, I do that. No, I always scar for sino kakausapin ko. Ganun ako ka-eager. Now, the silver, kaya tayo, we are encouraging everyone to become silver here dahil ito pong generational additional 10%. So meaning, kapag nag-silver rank ka at may mga member sa network ninyo, no, sa network ninyo na binuo ng team mo na nag-silver din, you will get additional 10% on that person up to the second level niya. Okay? Up to the second level. So meron ka pa uling second generational silver kung meron pa uling nag-silver doon. No? Sa team nung direct sponsor mo. Ito kung minsan, guys, not direct sponsor, hindi mo na po ito kilala. You don't know these people. These people are invited by someone, you know, and still unlimited debt. Live Good will pay you 10% and 10%. All right? Nagkaintindihan? Once you become gold, and kasi kung minsan merong mga legs na mababilis tumakbo. So, meaning sasabihin mo, second level lang ako mangungumisyon. No, you can get commission unlimited level. Kung saan man sumulpot yung silver na yon, makakakuha ulit kayo ng commission. So ito'y maganda. I found this out nung mag-gold ako. So if you are gold na naman, you will additional 5% for the same person. No? Halimbawa, itong person na to, nag-gold din siya. This person, it is the same person here in the silver mo, makakakuha ka pa ulit ng 5% additional basta tumaas ang rank mo. And hindi lang yon, up to third generation niya, nung tao na yon, nung tao na nandito, makakakuha ka pa ulit ng commission. So kahit na 1,000 or 1 million level dip na yan, ano? Ganun siya kaganda. So keep on going up to platinum, to diamond, kasi dito po yumayaman yung iba. In fact, marami po dito sa atin, we have a lot of members who are getting only 500 from their personal matrix kasi personal lang nila yon, di ba? But in matching bonus, they're already getting $2,000. Can you imagine, guys? At yung iba naman na nag-diamond na dito, they're getting in their matrix mga $2,000 pa lang kasi mahirap ikumpleto yung personal matrix. Pero sa matching bonus, you can multiply faster dun yung network mo. Dumadami yung franchise mo in every country, di ba? So dito, nagkakaroon yung mga diamond averaging to $4,000 dito, no? So in total, yung nakukuha nila sa matrix, nakukuha nila sa matching, and mamaya may kikwento pa kami, umaabot po yun ng $20,000. And it's really, really possible. So alam na natin, kalahati ang makukuha ninyo sa bawat matrix ng mga na-i-invite natin. Malinaw?
Malinaw na malinaw.
Malinaw na malinaw.
Okay. All right.
Okay. So si Coach Medi.
All right. The number four na pala. Sa dami. Number 4 is the retail commission. This is paid weekly. Unilevel bonuses up to 80%. So the same structure, we have the level and rank, bronze, silver, gold, platinum, and diamond. So how this retail commission works. sample sale, like for example, this organic coffee of Live Good, the popular one. Member price is 17.95. And if you want to sell this at a retail price, if someone wants to buy this, you are going to make $7. That's the difference between member and retail price. 50% of $7 is only 350. So 350 goes to Live Good Company, and the other 350 goes to you. So you're making $3.50 for every piece of this coffee. What if 10 ang bumili, di ba? O di
Yeah,
magkakaroon ka na ng $35 yan. Pag,
correct. $35 additional a day. Wow.
yeah.
Or
And
more.
I know, look at this. So up to level 8 to level all the way, level 8 to 10,
Yeah.
magkakaroon ka
That is
lang.
actually 80%. 80% yung total ng 10th level na yan. So, Live Good is only keeping 20%.
Yeah, imagine that. So all the way, level 1, level 2, level 3, meron ka pa rin kikitain with Live Good. So this is the beauty of selling these products. Even if it's retail commission, you're going to make money from this.
Yes.
The next one is the customer acquisition bonus. This is the one that Coach Lola said recently. This was added recently, and this is being paid weekly. Yearly level bonus up to the 10th level. Okay. When any of your personally enrolled member places their first product order, 10% of that order is paid out as a customer acquisition bonus, following the same structure as our fast start commission and retail commission. So same structure din, up to the 10th level, ikita ka kung ikaw na ang diamond. Sample computation is, here's the International Wellness Pack. How many products is this? 6 for only $99.95. Can you imagine that? With all these healthy products that you are having, it will cost you only $99.95. 10% of that is $99.99. And 50% is $4.99. That's the one that you're going to make, $4.99, with this wellness pack from Live Good. So
Yeah.
that's how it works. 10%. Every first order ng the person you enrolled, you're going to make 10% of that. So
Yeah. Kasi partner mo na yan eh.
yeah, and then the susunod na order, syempre hindi na kasi member mo na siya eh.
Business partner na.
Yeah. So the sixth one is the influencer bonus. Paid weekly up to 100% from your retail shop. So yung mga content creator, mga malalakas dyan sa TikTok, magaling magbenta, which is now being advertised by Live Good ang TikTok. Ina-advertise na rin sa TikTok ang Live Good. Instagram, YouTube, those who have so many followers na madali maka-influence. If you join Live Good, on top of your income coming from your TikTok account, you are going to make also extra income with Live Good. If you sign up and you are going to, if you make a sale of 2,500 a month, Live Good will give you additional 10%. So magiging 60% na yung income mo sa Live Good. Now, if you're really good, you can make up to 50,000. Additional commission will be given to you from 20% all the way to 50%. Pag 50,000 ang sales mo, you're gonna get additional commissions of 50%. 50%. So binibigay na sa inyo lahat is 100% sa inyo
Yeah.
lahat. So, di ba may mga tao dyan, magagaling silang sa live seller sa TikTok?
Even mga movie stars, celebrities in the Philippines, they're already selling on TikTok. No, you can invite celebrity here.
Yeah. So this is the good thing about this number 6. All right. The number 7 is the diamond pool, paid monthly per Thursday of the month. So profit sharing. 2% of total company sales is split between diamonds. Say the company sales, for example, 20 million ang sales for that month. 2% of that is 400,000. And this will be shared to 200 diamonds or more. I think we have more than 200 diamonds right now.
Yeah.
So
But the company sale is getting bigger naman.
I know, and it's not only 20 million. It could be maybe 25 million a month, or sometimes it could be lower than 20 million. So it depends on how the sales they did for the month. So for the 200 diamonds, kikita ang bawat diamond ng 2,000 each.
Yeah, last week I saw, last month I saw the diamond pool, 2,900 yung pinost ng isang
Wow,
diamond.
galing.
Yeah.
All right. So that's why let's go to diamond.
Yeah.
Okay, number 8. Number 8 dapat to, coach, di ba?
Ha? Pareho bang 7?
Yeah. Number 8, crown diamond.
Balitan ko mamaya.
I just noticed that right now. Another profit sharing is 0.5% or 0.5% of total company sales is split between all crown diamonds. Okay, say the company sales is 20 million. This is the example amount here. 0.5 or 0.5% is 100,000. Share
Yeah.
to 3 crown diamond. Kasi tatlo pa lang ang crown diamond natin.
Yeah.
One in the US, one in the Philippines, and saan ba yung isa? UK?
Sa Kazakhstan.
So each of them are receiving 33,333 each of them. So on top of those 8 top 7 plus 8, oh my God, magkano na kaya? No wonder they're making around, di pa man nakikita ko,
80,000 sila siguro.
80,000
Yeah, 50
a
plus.
month.
Yeah, 50,000 plus a month. Ooh.
Grabe. Oh, ikaw na rito yata, coach.
Okay, yan. Nako, gustong-gusto mo nang sumali. Hey, I really want to join there. Paano ba yan? How can I pay, no? This is a problem sometimes, especially in other countries like Philippines and so. Most of the people there, wala silang banko. They don't have bank, you know. Guys, it's so easy. Just go to your virtual GCash, Maya, GoTime Bank there, no? You can do this, and you can also go to 7-Eleven to buy your Visa card. Yes, nakakabili po ng mga gift card sa ating mga convenience store. So, the way to pay here is meron tayong tinatawag na one-time affiliate fee. So, one-time affiliate fee meaning is a setup na automatic, instantly, hindi ka na maghihintay with your website. You can get it right away upon payment of this $40, which is equivalent to 2,500 in the Philippines, or 2,200 maybe. Yeah, nagpa-fluctuate. So instant e-shop, right? Hindi na natin kailangan ng web designer. You get $40, you get your instant shop. Now, if you decided, hey, I want to take part of the matrix system, the matching bonus, and a lot more, no? You must join the monthly subscription, which is $9.95. Kasi gusto mo ng product, gusto mo makagamit ng product. If you want to buy the product at lowest price, you pay the $9.95. I described to you kanina, Amazon ang mamahal, no? $19, $15, no? This one is $9.95 only. You need to pay this monthly, religiously, para makapag-participate kayo sa Matrix. And later, nakikita nyo yan, dahan-dahan, nagkakaroon tayo, nagtutulungan tayo, nagkakaroon yan ng tao. That is 25 cents for you guys to be able to participate on that. And to become diamond po, kailangan sa month. Reach diamond kung affiliate lang tayo. I want you to remember that. Kailangan nagsusubscribe tayo monthly, all right? So ang initial mong babayaran is $49.95 one time, and then continue ka lang sa monthly. Anyway, alam nyo guys, yung $9.95 na yan, that's very, very low. That's very, very cheap kumpara sa meron kayong sariling business. No? This one is yung operational mo sa sarili mong business, hamak baba nito, di ba? Kaya murang-mura ang ating business. Ngayon, sabi mo, hey, can I get a discount? Yes, bibigyan kita ng discount kung gusto mo magbayad ng 1 year. So, ano yung 1 year? $9.95 times 12, 100 plus 2, 120?
Yes.
So, bibigyan kita ng 2 months. Kung gusto mong mag-discount, $99.95 na lang bayaran mo. Tapos, idagdag mo yung 40, you will pay $139.95. Malinaw? kung alin ang gusto mong unahin dito, guys. Kung gusto mo lang makapasok sa Live Good, sabihin mo agad, tutulungan ka namin. If you want to start sa 995 or you want to start the 40, pwede po yan. Pero if I were you, sabayin nyo na po yan dahil marami kayong mamimiss. Okay? Yan. All right, how to pay. Ito pala yung sinasabi ko na kailangan ang inyong card natin. Kailangan natin po ng debit card or credit card, Visa, Discovery, MasterCard. Go right away to 7-Eleven. Marami po yan. If you want my help, I can teach you how to pay through cryptocurrency, katulad ng mga India, Turkey, Nigeria, hindi sila pinapayagan mag-pay ng Visa card. So cryptocurrency po ang mga members ko doon. I also can help you with my credit wallet. So don't hesitate to reach out sa amin ni Coach Medi, guys, okay? So how to receive your payout, napakadali po. If you want to receive weekly payout, monthly payout, we will set your bank account here. We will set your credit card here in Live Good inside. No? So, dapat, ano mo na yan, i-dream mo na yan, na may negosyo na ako, may global business na ako, na gusto ko nang magsimula, gusto ko nang kumita. Okay?
I-claim mo na yan.
Ipag-pray mo na yan at kung hindi mo kaya yan, tumawag ka ng tulong. Nandito lang sila Superwoman. Okay. So, why join our team? We are the Global Income Builder team, guys. Siyempre, ang members natin global na yan, kung saan-saan na yan. Meron kaming ginagawang free website. Ako po ang nagde-design yan. Aside from the website na sinabi ko sa inyo, na 8 website from Live Good, bibigyan ko po kayo niyan. May free training kami every Friday. Meron po kaming ginagawang video training at meron din po kaming training page, guys. Okay? So, napakadaling panoodin ng mga training. Masterclass na yan na sa iba binabayaran nyo pa yan. Pero dito, tuturuan namin kayo ng libre. Meron po kaming chatroom support that's free. So, ang iba nagpapabayad pa niyan. Okay? Marketing materials, you're just going to post and paste and post and paste po ng mga post namin, and you can learn and you can easily market this business presentation. Kami na po ang bahalang mag-present para sa inyo. Pero kung gusto nyong matuto at makita ang beauty ninyo sa online, kailangan po magsimula din kayo mag-aral ng presentation. Tuturuan din po namin kayo kung paano yung inyong mga pagpe-present dito. FB advertising tutorial, yes, libre po yan. Sa iba, binabayaran po yan. Okay, paid advertising po ang tawag dyan. Para mas madali ninyong ma-attract ang ibang tao at matatarget yung ibang tao kung gusto nyo, kung may extra money lang kayo, no? Hindi kayo pinipilit. Kung may extra money kayo, we will teach you how to do Facebook advertising. All right, guys? Napakaganda o magandang-maganda.
Super ganda.
Yeah.
Alright, tapos na ba tayo?
Tapos na tayo. 43 minutes. Okay, meron pa ba tayong ibang viewers?
Alright, thank you.
4,000. Okay. Yan, di ko na share sa akin doon na lang sa team. All right, guys. So that's our short tutorial for, business overview. And if you want to start in Live Good, please contact me, Coach Medi, at lifestylewithmedi.com. Once again, lifestylewithmedi.com. And if you would like to visit our team's Global Income Builder team site po, main.livegoodpros.com to find our other, testimonials. Marami po kaming testimonial doon. Magdadagdag pa pala ako ng other testimonial. At mapanood ninyo yung ibang mga video namin. Okay.
Alright, tapos na
Close
tayo.
natin. Yan, nakita na ang beauty natin.
Happy weekend, everyone.
Yes.
To those who are watching and who haven't watched, you can go back to this live presentation with Coach Lola and myself, and just follow us on our Facebook page. If you want to ask more questions, give your comments here and we will surely respond to you. Okay,
Yes.
guys. Happy weekend.
Happy weekend. Global business is in now, trending.
Yeah.